Hello, my name is Zach Cagle. I'm the Marketing Product Specialist for utility, mid-range, and high horsepower Massey Ferguson tractors. Today I want to show you around the Massey Ferguson 6700 Global Series tractors. These tractors are great for hay, feeding cattle, running mixer wagons, anything that you need a heavy-duty tractor in the 120 to 130 horsepower tractor range. This tractor fits the bill. The Massey Ferguson 6700 Global Series comes in two models, the 6712 at 120 engine horsepower and the 6713 at 130 horsepower. Both models utilize the 4.4 liter Agro power engine. These engines meet Tier 4 final requirements without the use of a diesel particulate filter, but they do use DEF fluid and they also feature a diesel oxidation catalyst. No DPF is required on these tractors. To get to our engine oil check, it's very easy to do. We don't have to take any side panels off. All we need to do is lift the hood, reach in. Here's our dipstick. Easy to put back in. Close the hood, and we're ready to begin our day. You'll also notice on this side of the engine, it's very easy to perform our maintenance if we're running in high dust applications. So to clean our air filter out, we simply undo these three latches here. Pop the lid off, and now we have easy access to blow our air filter out. Put it back in, put our cover on. Another nice feature of the engine on this tractor is we have a pre-screen here to catch all of the dust and chaff before it goes into our radiator. All we need to do is pull this out, blow all the chaff off, reinsert it, and we're ready to go back to work. The Massey Ferguson 6700 Global Series is available from the factory with a couple of different loader options. We have our X Series shown here with the self-leveling linkage. This is a great medium-duty loader for moving hay bales around, light-duty digging, things of that nature, but we also offer a heavy-duty FL Series loader in mechanical self-leveling or non-self-leveling configurations. Both series of loaders feature a Euro-style heavy-duty tool carrier. The FL Series also comes standard with soft drive. Both series of loaders are also compatible with a third function diverter valve, so if you want to run a grapple or a hay squeeze or anything like that, we can very easily put a third function valve and hydraulic set to the front of your loader. Let me tell you a little bit about the front axle. This is a Dana 720 front axle. It's heavy duty, it's built to withstand heavy loads. It's also got hydro-locking front four-wheel drive. So that means when you click the four-wheel drive front axle, both wheels pull for you. Standard on Global Series tractors are the TM 600 Trelleborg radial tires. These tires feature a very nice ride in the field because we can run them at a little bit lower air pressure than a bias ply, for example. So we get a much better ride when it's rough out. We also get a good traction level with these radial tires. So they make a great footprint on the ground. You can really get good traction with these tires. Another nice thing, optional on Global Series, is our wheel weights. So we can ballast the tractor to where we need it. If we're using a front loader or if we're doing some tillage work, we can get the tractor loaded down to the weight we need it. At the rear of the tractor, you'll notice a very heavy-duty 3-point linkage system, big heavy-duty rear lift cylinders, heavy-duty drawbar system. You'll also notice our hydraulic valves here, 2 standard from the factory and 3rd is optional. This tractor features 26 gallons per minute of hydraulic flow. We achieve that with 2 high-pressure pumps, one at 11 gallons per minute for our 3-point linkage and one at 15 gallons per minute for the rear remotes or the front loader. If we want to combine those 2 valves, we can. We simply do that in the cab, and that gives us 26 gallons per minute of flow to our rear remotes or our front loader. It makes running a round baler much quicker. Say, for example, you open your tailgate. The tailgate will cycle much quicker with 26 gallons per minute of flow and close much quicker. It also makes running a loader much quicker. If you idle your tractor down and combine the 2 valves, your loader is very responsive at 26 gallons per minute. The 3-point link arms are extendable. So if we're hooking up a 3-point implement and we don't get our tractor lined up just perfectly, we can always extend these, hook the tractor up to the implement, and then push them back in later. The 6700 Global Series features a 12x12 power shuttle transmission. This transmission has a high and a low range with 6 gears on the high side and 6 gears on the low side. We also have a power control lever here to change directions with. We never have to clutch to change directions. We simply push forward or go to the reverse position to go in reverse. This little dial here adjusts our shuttle sensitivity. So let's say you want a quick, aggressive shuttle, you would change this dial to the plus side. If you want the tractor to slowly and gradually change directions, you would turn the dial to the negative side. This is our four-wheel drive engagement switch, and this is our differential switch. This is the hydraulic combining valve that gets us to 26 gallons per minute of flow. To learn more about the Massey Ferguson 6700 Global Series, I encourage you to visit your local Massey Ferguson dealer or go to masseyferguson.us.